Okay, it is October 10th, 2022. Brooke Rolston here, my first visitor since the pandemic.
Dear God.
And he's viewing the first of the two mosaic drawing combos I did 2 years ago in memory of child victims, Holocaust victims, and StephenTyroneJohns.
Yes.
John's the federal police officer who shot to death by an elderly Klansman in 2009, the entry of the U.S. Holocaust Memorial Museum in Washington, D.C. So, children drawn from a Warsaw Ghetto photograph.
Yes. Another one, maybe?
I forget who this was now.
It says Warsaw Ghetto.
Oh, okay, Warsaw Ghetto. From the Warsaw Ghetto photo. This child was a Romani Sinti victim of the Nazis. And then we have in the mosaics allegorical sea monsters.
Yes.
1,
I love
2, 3. Anything you'd like to say
mirror.
for the, my YouTube and Facebook viewers?
Oh, I love the whimsical monsters. The drawing of Mr. Jones.
Drawing what? Say again?
Mr. Jones.
John's.
John's, thank you.
Low battery. Gotta talk quickly.
Okay.
We're gonna make this short. I think I had it charging.
Yeah. Rolston Ghetto Segan 2020. I don't remember mirrors before. They're wonderful.
Thanks. It's the,
And the eyes of the top sea monster.
that's a good response.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
This one too.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, these,
Oh, they all
also
have great eyes.
Yeah.
What big eyes you have, sea monsters.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Way to go, Budgies.
Thank you.
Budgies and Brooke.
Budgies and His Holiness retired Reverend
Yeah.
Brooke Rolston here. All right, thank you.
With my brother Akiva.
Thank you, you're great.